Welcome to Wazobia TV on Top Star Times channel 195, and this na the ogbonge politics discussion show as e dey hot. Today we no go waste time, we go just go sharp inside wetin we carry come to discuss today. Remember say this na the program wey be the only democracy on top of television, sake of say we dey talk all the talk wey concern us for obodo Nigeria, so that those wey the matter concern go take the necessary action to move our country forward. My name na Ezugo Chukwudi, and as usual I no dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother wey sabi well as e take concern politics matter as e dey hot.
Good morning, Nigerians. Welcome to Thursday's edition of that ogbonge program where they do it with a sunshine of different political matters as e dey hot. We go open our phone line when that time reach for now to also do it in. At least contribute for the discussion we will get today. The discussion still on the trending issue where they go on the ministerialists and the issues we surround that. Now we still talk about. I will get to ogbonge guests, two strong guests. Where we say they will also chook mouth for this matter when that time reach. My name never still change. My name is Unkubi, and this is now as e dey hot.
Unkubi don't talk and say we get ogbonge visitors them. They know they come out anyhow, even though they be friends of the family. But sake of say them sabi well, anytime when they consign talk, when they come up plenty smoke, now why would they carry them come? The first person, na entrepreneur par excellence, social commentator, political analyst, and person when we say, you fit call them walking encyclopedia because knowledge plenty. Anytime when you open him mouth, begin to talk. He na Ogagbola Oba. And the next ogbonge visitor, we go show two of them at the same time so that you no go be like say we too waste time. Now person when we say he don't look our country finish because he say I go speak English. Potential there inside Nigeria. If all of us come back with the experience when you don't get outside this country, if we come back, we put our hand together, we go move this our country forward. Now he be the Director General of African British, Al Jafar Brimo. Two ogas them. Una welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Thank you very much.
Hey, make we shake una hand, make it not be like say, because we need to collect the blessing as soon as they come small.
Aga Jafar, now welcome, man.
Make we no waste time, make we just go straight to the point. Everybody knows, say, aside from the talk, say, one of our former minister, when he been just there for office, he just be like say, so money, one big money loss. Aside from that talk, you get another talk when we say that one carry first for all the old news for inside Obodo Nigeria. Because Nigerians wait for some time, sake of say we dey find that list when Oga President saying go send the list of cherubim and seraphim, people when they spotless. But when they come tear the envelope for the House of Senate, some people come talk say, this list when they carry come, if for just announce them on the 29th of May, because some of the names they are names they're very, very familiar with, whether they be technocrats or they not be technocrats, nobody know. Now we go talk them for here today, so we no go waste time. Ogagbola Oba, what will be your reaction or your assessment, general assessment of the 21 names when Oga President send go House of Senate?
My general assessment be say make I sit down dey look.
As in you happy, you no happy.
Now always.
This is why we say your
voice come down. You be like,
no, be the Golaba, no, be this is the man of fire now.
You get action
they
now.
bring her hot. Give it to us hot.
Now the name bring weigh am down.
As the hot.
As the list be. Now in my mood reflect.
So now the list they define your mood now.
Okay. We don't start from there. We go ask Oga Al Jafar, what will be your own general assessment too of the list?
Very exciting, very expecting, and as e dey hot. So the names
now still on the level of as the hot.
And very, very exciting.
But from the list. From the list, make we also not talk too much. You get some names where we say, just as Chuku the talk, familiar names where we say, if we take them way back, because I feel one of the reasons why Oga Boloba they do, like say somehow, but not to agree with the entire list. But waiting, as some of the names we will see, there are names where we say, what would they familiar with? As a matter of fact, a lot of names they familiar with. Some we will still take them back to the era of Shagari, bring them down to some eras where we say, even when they did, they will not even to see this thing. But then, she notice say, as things they go under the leadership of Oga Muhammad Buhari, she say these same people or collectively these ministers they go fit at least toe the line of change. Say yes, we want to work.
Thank you very much. The Ogbonge president where we get, Oga Muhammad Buhari, if una take time, remember very well, say this same Oga Buhari don't rule us before 20 years ago. And he come with a slogan, change. All of us do it. We
embrace them.
So also, the culture of democracy, we will practice here, American system.
Style, yeah.
There are some senators, their family house, now them, they take that senatorial seat. Nobody they argue with them. Since they don't start America. So there's nothing in the extraordinary. That we have somebody that has ruled 20 years, 30 years back and is still making the ministerial shows that there's something where this our Ogbonge president still is seeing that person. We go make his own government good. Not be about the government or Brahma government. Now about Buhari government. And not only him. See what he see. Where you drink Gary anyhow.
But Oga Brahma, maybe I throw this one to Oga Boloba. But under the same issue, say Oga Muhammadu Buhari, see maybe you don't see some credibility in this individual. That's why I believe say these people go work. This same Oga Muhammadu Buhari, when they appoint the people they appoint, when people they question and say these people they appoint where they present now one particular part of the country, now then they come from. Say you know if you say we can later talk say look, see that people will struggle with them when in the course of in becoming the president and all. In political struggle years, so they can compensate them. So, on this list now, from going by what they see, this list, it is if it's not be saying that the same compensational thing, now they play out.
I think say the issue we may get with the list, not be mainly for the list. NASIMA, when they released the list, the Nigerian Association of Chambers of Commerce, then come out, then say the thing we paying them, we say they no get the kind of people we they want to see for the list. But I no mention organizations like CACO, we write letter against Fashola. I no mention people like Rivers, yes. All those ones. Sometimes if you get partisan reason to want to, but for NASIMA, not be about partisanship, not about creating business environment where go allow people creativity, people innovation, entrepreneurial drive to work. Now, where me dey now as person will be entrepreneur for this market, we wait for 4 months to get list we no complete. We go still get even after Thursday, because Senate said them go consider the list between Tuesday and Thursday. Even after Thursday, we go still dey wait more list
to come.
As person will be entrepreneur, will be say they plan to make money by creating value for society around non-government policy. I think say Oga Buhari, and you know where I come from. Me and you used to fight in those days where you go, they go PDP, and I go tell you say na Buhari fit do am. But it too slow for me. It's not take away the goodness in the man. No. Business na the thing where Oyinbo people they call living organism.
True.
You understand? Oga they do like say, you know what, I go do am at my pace. But as a potential entrepreneur, as an entrepreneur for Nigeria, I dey compete not only with entrepreneurs for Ghana, I dey compete with entrepreneurs for UK. If they better make some government policy, don't they make me serve. As a result of this thing, come say, oh, now like this I go take approach to bless my society before I make money, because most Nigerians wey dey watch us, there is no juju wey person dey do, wey they do awure, wey they call awure, awe ogunwo. Now the degree to which you create value, wey bless as many people as possible,
yes.
Now in you save go make money. So that problem wey I get now.
Very true.
But the man Buhari is still a man I prefer above most this thing. But for the list save, the list I no get issues so with the list, if not be the over drama over drama of going into seeing to go and pray. Because ordinarily, if you had given me this list from day one, I will tell you that notwithstanding the campaign of organizations like Kakol against Fashola or on the website and the borehole, I will tell you that if you make Fashola the Minister for Power in Nigeria today, I will bet if then they do napping for Nigeria, I will go nap. Say Fashola go solve power issue in 3 years. You know why? Because when in Lagos, I see 5 IPPs. He left 5 IPPs. And for Ikeja now, the strategic institutions of state in Ikeja, Alausa, the General Hospital, the courts, Lagos Television, some other government entities, they are on an independent power this thing that no they fail as una PHCN they fail. If they do that kind of modular small independent power plant across strategic areas of Nigeria like Aba, Kaduna, Kano, this thing, issue of power in the next 4 years will be solved in the productive areas of Nigeria, and that will get positive multiplier effect to this thing. But this Fashola Naim will take us 4 months to even put in name now. People don't they shout. We don't know whether I go make the list. Now that one they worry me.
Okay, Ogagbola Oba, you don't talk well now. Make we move from.
How you know say I talk well?
No, you don't know.
Some people feel things say I don't talk crazy.
But if many people talk say you talk well, I mean say you don't talk well with that. We go move from okay, we don't get people when they list. Now we go move into competence. Some people don't question some people when they list because of say they look say okay this person for so time he hold this position so many years ago. This era na analog era. Now we don't enter era when we say na ICT fast forward. Waiting this person go fit bring come. In fact, I dey speak to somebody yesterday wey tell me say if we check the list now, it be like say somebody like Oga Audu Ogbe, maybe na agriculture they go give am. If we check all the people in the list, check say okay this person waiting they fit give am. If we do napping like you talk,
make I shock you. If they give Audu Ogbe agriculture, I bet the record of the guy wey pass wey una dey celebrate, Audu Ogbe go do farm.
Now waiting the guy been dey tell me.
You know why Audu Ogbe go do farm?
Why he go do farm?
I mean I know they hear say I did for one investor forum about 6 months ago in Abeokuta, investor forum where Ogun State government put forward. Audu Ogbe be one of the speakers on agricultural chain, value creation in the agricultural chain. If person thinks say me as I dey so, and people they talk say my head correct small when I dey talk. If person thinks say I dey hot, when I sat in front of Audu Ogbe for 2 hours, analyze problem where dey the agricultural sector for Nigeria as a practicing entrepreneur in the agricultural industry, analyze productivity level in Nigeria relative to countries like Zimbabwe, South Africa, and all other Kenya and co. Analyze measures where a good make government do. I was telling myself that day, if to say I be president of Nigeria, I go appoint Audu Ogbe for agriculture minister. So forget about the age of the man. The man is at the cutting edge of technology. The man is at the cutting edge of initiative. The man is at the cutting edge of entrepreneurialism in the area of agriculture. So this boy where you go now, African Development Bank. Akinwumi Adesina came from academia now. Now theory Akinwumi Adesina come blow. Audu Ogbe in the last he dey in the industry. I will rather respect somebody like Audu Ogbe pass Adesina. And for where I dey now, if I dey nap, I go nap Audu Ogbe.
Oga Ajafar, make we call you don't see okay. We don't check. So okay, now if all the people when they inside this list now, if we give them what they're supposed to do, then they're very, very qualified. But maybe we can't check some other things when surround them. Now, he gets some, like for example, Dino Melaye now, Senator Dino Melaye don't come at us say, the kind letter when they don't receive against somebody like Rotimi Amechi, say the thing get to food too big, Ghana must go. Now, if we get minister, even though in they competent or if in they qualified, and all these things when we say allegations of say this one, that one, they around the person neck, where we go from there? You don't think say this one go be distraction?
Thank you very much. I don't think so, because these ministers that we have brought the list by our Oga Mohammed Buhari, that the Senate will eventually consent to by next week, are just the people waiting on the driver's seat. the people where they do the work are civil servants,
Okay.
permanent secretaries, and the DGs of different ministries. But for political reasons, somebody will be say the president feel just winkle in eye, and the person will know say, this is what my organ mean. Say, waiting I they do, I never do and well. Nine be political to drive a political policy. There are statutory ministries, and the politicians and ministers go come. And these current ministers is not a permanent position. 3 years, 2 months, then Oga Ogbongo Mohammed say, I bet you say you know what you do. You don't know. Koya, come out. You come there. But us are too worried over nothing. I don't understand. For 4 months or 5 months before you come. Minister, they work, they spend money. This Oga Buhari say income, money no day. He don't look for money, go America, go Germany, go Kenya, go everywhere. Go gather. As they gather money, people they harass them for Northeast. Now, money don't come small. Even the one when people carry for Ghana must go Obodo abroad. You don't bring us. Now is the time where you go say, okay, my people where I trust. Not necessarily people will fight for them. We win election. You know how many people will fight for them?
There are plenty.
1.8 million. Now all of us will be minister. Now some will be minister. And you can be minister in your own house. Replicating what Buhari stands for. In your own room, in your own kitchen, you and your wife, and your children.
Oga Brimo, you don't talk. Oga Brimo, don't say I cut this talk, come out from your mouth. Enter market. Nigerians, now don't hear them. You can be minister. Me say, all of us now minister. All of us get the work we go do for this government to move this our country forward. When we go come back with our Ogbonge visitors them, Oga Al-Jafar Brimo and Oga Gola Oba, we go continue this our discussion as they concern the ministerial list. Discussion continues. We they come back nasty as video.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.